Sedgefield, we pride ourselves on having some of the best mmWave test facilities in the industry. Our state-of-the-art testing systems extend up to 114 GHz, featuring the latest temperature and humidity chambers. Moreover, our complete service portfolio includes network and discrete signal analysis, employing spectrum analysers, power meters and noise figure analysis, plus a full suite of reports and analysis supported by our internal manufacturing enterprise system. Across our 3 UK sites in Sedgefield, Leeds and Manchester, and our US site in Salisbury, Maryland, we provide test facilities of the highest calibre.